Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get cheap homeowners insurance from Lemonade. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. At the upper left part, you will see an option for Homeowners. Click on Homeowners. Next, click on Check Our Prices. It will then ask if you already have a Lemonade account. In this case, we clicked on Nope. Select the option applicable, then click on Next. If you already have an account, just enter your first and last name on the fields provided. Also enter your home address, then click on Next. It'll also ask if you're closing on a new home or just thinking of switching insurers. Select the option that applies, then click on Next. Next, select the type of property, either a condo, co-op, or a house. Also, select the type of countertop that your unit have. Here, enter the size of your home in square feet. Then click on Next. On this page onwards, you'll be asked several questions. First, do you have any of the following accessories on your house? Do you share your home with your partner, kids, dogs, or cats? Do you have any mortgage or loan on this property? Lastly, did you or anyone you live with file any claims in the past 5 years? Select the options that apply. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. To start getting you a quote, enter your email address and date of birth. Also, click on the tick box to confirm that you agree with the terms of service. Then click on Next. Now you'll see your quote. If you like to get a copy, click on Download Quote. If you wish to get discounts, click on the button that says Get Discounts. Otherwise, click on Finalize Amount. Lastly, finalize your payment by entering the lender details. Then click on the Pay button. That's how you get cheap homeowners insurance from Lemonade. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.